Right now, we just heard moments ago, the jury has reached a verdict in a civil case against Catholic Charities and others, and we're waiting for them to announce what that is. The case, though, stems from the 2017 death of Jordan Rodriguez, a 4-year-old who was tragically found buried in his mom's backyard. The family of the boy is now seeking $81 million in damages. We look back at how we got here.
And I look at these photographs, and it's very hard.
The heartbreaking case was thrust into the spotlight in December 2017.
Jordan is like the sweetest little thing you could ever meet.
When 4-year-old Jordan Rodriguez was found abused and buried in the backyard of the home where he lived.
On behalf of Ms. Rodriguez, Your Honor.
In 2018, mother Larissa Rodriguez and her boyfriend Christopher pleaded guilty to involuntary manslaughter, each sentenced to at least 25 years in prison.
Because this is unbelievable to me. I don't know how either one of you live with yourselves.
In a separate case, the caseworker required to make monthly visits to the Rodriguez home was sentenced to 3 years.
On behalf of Ms. Caraballo.
After she admitted to paying off Jordan's mom for the food stamp benefits that were meant for him and his siblings. From the beginning, Jordan's aunt, Michelle Rodriguez, had questions and concerns.
I called, never heard nothing back. Child services are supposed to be protecting our kids. They're supposed to be the voices.
Fast forward to today, Michelle is the administrator for the estate of Jordan and has taken his case to civil court, going after Catholic Charities and the caseworker who failed to visit the home. The complaint claims they turned a blind eye to clear and present indications of ongoing physical abuse and neglect, acting indifferently to Jordan's safety and well-being, leaving him exposed to long-standing and continuing harm and to his untimely death. The civil trial wrapped up yesterday after 4 weeks of testimony. It then was turned over into the hands of the jury. And then, as I said just a few minutes ago before the show, we learned that the jury had reached a verdict. We have a crew there that will bring that to us.
This is incredibly tragic story. At this point, since you've been covering it, has Catholic Charities responded or said anything about this? Yeah, I reached out to them today. They said they cannot comment on this case right now. I also reached out to the attorneys for Michelle Rodriguez, still waiting to hear back. I imagine that after the verdict is announced that we may be hearing from them. All right, Matt, thanks. Yep.